we, a 5333, can't see sharp. We might be a small robotics team that might not be as well known globally or in comparison to our sibling team, 5663, but we still stand strong against all odds. We don't just build a robot to compete in a competition every year. We give back to the community in a variety of ways, while being supported by others who share the same passion as us. First, to 5333 means providing the next generation with the skills to progress and succeed in this new technological age. It is a foundation as well as an opportunity for extraordinary high school students like us to learn and grow in different areas of science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. Now, who is 5333? 5333 is one of the two FRC robotics teams hosted by Curtin University. We work closely alongside our sibling team 5663 Ground Control. We are more than just a team, we are family. Though who we are isn't important as to how we've given back. Robo Academy is our workshops mentoring children to build and code with LEGO Mindstorm robotics. Our workshops have 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced, perfect for any skill level. Some of us mentor at Coder Dojo, providing an environment for children to have fun learning how to code. We've helped over 250 teams in the FRC robotics competition with programming by providing software support with OpenRAO. And together with 5333, we've displayed our robots to over 400 students at Curtin RoboFair. The team not just runs programs, but also spreads the knowledge of robotics by visiting our local schools like Ross Moyne Senior High School and Willerton Senior High School to demonstrate to other high school students the beauty of robotics, as well as encouraging them to join first. None of this could be possible without Curtin for hosting our 2 teams. Curtin supports FRC through providing us with facilities to build the robot and strategize during kickoff night, providing us our engineering student mentors, and also through funding. We are appreciative of our sponsors and program supporters: School Pathways Program, BAE Systems, Altronics, ACOM, PLE Computers, ASUS, and Bosch Australia, for providing both 5333 as well as our sibling team, 5663, with as much help as they can provide.